Good morning, Year 5. Welcome to your third computing lesson. Today we're going to be understanding how technology can be used to persuade us to act a certain way. Okay? So, the internet is a fantastic resource that helps us to learn and share, communicate and find entertainment. It has billions of users who use it for legitimate reasons. However, there are other users on the internet who use it for illegal and unsavory things. There are several dangers that we might come across when online. Malware. Malware is software that is designed to cause harm or damage to a computer. This includes viruses that might damage files or adware that cause pop-ups and spyware that collects and shares login details. Phishing. Not phishing with a phishing role, but PH phishing, an attempt to gain personal information about someone by way of deception. For example, sending an email pretending to be from their bank, asking them for their bank details. Phishing emails are quite easy to spot, although at first glance they may look very much like a genuine email from a company or website. When you look a little bit closer, they often contain spelling or grammatical errors. Always remember that it is rare that a website will genuinely send you an email asking for your username and password. So there are a number of ways to protect ourselves against malware and phishing. For example, antivirus software, so programs that you can put onto your computer that will prevent these things from attacking your files. A firewall, not an actual wall, but it works like a wall. It keeps these sort of negative aspects of the internet out. And you can just be careful. You can not open emails from people that you don't recognize. Don't install anything that's been downloaded illegally. And when you're receiving emails, just always have a little look here. So the bad punctuation, no capital letters, the improper use of punctuation. Okay? So, technology can always try and trick you into filling out the forms for a competition. So here's an example I've done. Congratulations, you've just won a year's supply of macaroni cheese. To claim your prize, enter the following information: name, age, phone number, address. Now that sounds too good to be true. I better do all that right now. But hang on. This stuff down here, name, age, phone number, address, that's a very specific type of information. That. Can you remember what type of information that's called? We looked at it last week. I'm hoping that you can all remember that that's personal information. Those are the things that we never give out to anybody because that's how they learn lots about us and that's how they'll be able to access all of our stuff. So, your task is to write a list of rules to help everyone stay safe online. You can include the SMART rules from the last lesson. So on your worksheet, you've got a little bit of writing here. Rules to be safe. Now that'll be things from this page here, not clicking on these things, being aware, looking out for the errors in punctuation and the risky links. Okay? So once you've written your list of SMART rules, if there's not enough room on here, you can always just do it on a piece of paper if you need more room. Your extension, which most of you should be able to do because this won't take very long, I'd like you to make an example of an online competition form that people are going to want to enter, like my macaroni cheese one. Now, I love macaroni cheese. So I would, first instinct, be like, yes, year's supply of macaroni cheese, all over it, let's do it. But what are other things that people may be sort of enticed to fill out forms for? It could be something like large amounts of money. It could be something that will help you out in a game that you play or something along those lines. Now remember, when you're making this online competition form, you need to use really, really good language, like congratulations, to claim your prize. That's a pretty common sentence. They should try and include that. And then you need to make sure that you're asking for parts of their personal information at the bottom. Okay, guys, that's everything. Good luck. See you later.